In today's video, we're going to be looking at ticker symbol GRAB. This is a stock that has been previously featured on the channel. I'm going to be sharing with you two huge impending catalysts, and also for MMTLP, we're going to be looking at a new update for broker discovery, which is quite significant, and finishing off by having a look at the previous week's weekly watch list and a review of that with some great calls. So before we get started, let's have a look at what's happening in the market. So first of all, from CNBC, we can see here, close of the week, S&P 500 has posted the fifth winning day and notched a 5% weekly gain as the US-China trade tensions are easing. So good news there for the markets. And we can also see another headline: Moody downgrades the United States credit rating on an increase in government debt. So this is actually not good news, and I'm not sure how the markets are going to react to this, but certainly the US government is not going to be happy. Another area that the US government, in particular Donald Trump, is not happy, and that is with regard to the US Fed Reserve. And Powell, he's criticised him again, and he's pushing for rate cuts, but not sure how Powell is going to react. So let's move on now again and look ahead again to this credit rating, and we can see the US Treasury Secretary has dismissed the US credit rating being downgraded and states, I don't have much credence in the Moody's. So it looks like they are fighting that. And the final headline I'm going to share with you is another statement here from Trump with regard to Walmart, and he's told them to eat the tariffs, and obviously that they are talking about price increases, which he's not happy about, and he also wants the Feds to cut rates sooner rather than later. So hopefully that is positive, because inflation news was good, and we certainly hope that happens. Before we look at ticker symbol GRAB, shout out to everybody who's been following the channel and also in the Discord, where we've been calling out ticker symbol ACHR, also known as Archer Aviation. We've been covering this stock since it was trading around about $8, and also in the previous video it was trading just under the $10. So if we have a look at the chart right now for the previous week, up over 43.94%, trading at $13.30. And in the previous video I also shared information about them having over $1 billion in cash. But let's now have a look at ticker symbol GRAB, also known as Grab Holdings Limited, and we can see here, I'm going to start by having a look at the chart for the previous month, up a very impressive 25.3%. At one point you could have picked this up just below the $4 mark, so a great buying opportunity. It's showing some tremendous recovery now, currently trading at $5.09. And first catalyst I'd like to share with you here is a potential acquisition of GoTo. So the company are reportedly in discussions to acquire GoTo, and this is an Indonesian competitor, and in the second quarter of 2025 the merger could significantly reshape the competitive landscape in Southeast Asia. So the deal is looking at a bridging loan of approximately $2 billion, and Grab are evaluating the accounts, and this move could be a huge catalyst in terms of the markets. And if we have a look at the headline here from Reuters, we can see here that they are looking to for a deal to acquire Indonesia's GoTo in the second quarter, so stay tuned for details of that breaking through. We also had strong financial performance and user growth in the previous earnings, and revenue of $773 million, beating the Wall Street expectations, and a record 44 million monthly transacting users, and that was up 17.7% year on year. They're also using AI-driven efficiency and affordability initiatives, and I think it is potentially a great stock. But let's have a look at the other catalysts. So we can see here from Seeking Alpha, again shared here, another potential big news here is the fintech business, and they could potentially take off as Grab expands to consumer and merchant lending. So keep an eye out on this potential catalyst, and I think as far as a company is concerned, the sky is the limit, because there is a huge opportunity for development and growth in Grab. So let's have a look at some of the key significant institutional holders, and if we look at in particular Uber Technologies, we can see the percentage of the portfolio is 48.60%, and that is quite significant. Before we get started, I'd like to take 1 minute of your time to share details of the Trading Secrets Discord. This includes daily stock alerts shared in the pre-market, the weekly watches shared prior to trading on the Monday, the $1 Million Challenge, and much more. So we also have had some tremendous calls in the weekly watch list, as well as the daily stock alerts, and these include LEAS up over 152% on the week, DOMH up over 210% on the week, IGTI up over 77% on the week, and many more. We have a new channel called Top Ranked Stocks DD, and this includes PDF reports which you can download and use for research and due diligence. Obviously you can join us in live trading chat as well. We've just had a $2,000 Discord update which includes breaking news for stocks, including bio stocks, earnings, analyst ratings, Reddit news, why the stock is moving, and much more. And as well as that, you can join us in the famous $1 Million Challenge, where we look at compound return investing and 201 trades. And just a reminder of the power of compounding. If you have 1 cent, you double that for 30 days, you would have over $5 million, but we are using a strategy of just a 3.5% return. Let's now look at MMTLP, and first shout out is to Anna Trades, who stated, breaking news, everybody blames Citadel, but the real kingpin of the dark pools is FINRA. They own and operate XADF, OOTC, OTCBB, still active, OTC-UTP, and FINRA is the player, the referee and the stadium. So quite incriminating here. They hide trades, regulate themselves, and they answer to nobody, and that is because of apparent immunity because of them being an SRO. And then she states here, after years of digging, organizing data and exposing what FINRA tried to hide, is validating to see that ChatGPT also is now caught up, agrees that FINRA is running the rig, and now the world is starting to change. So let's have a look at the image that she shared from her research, and she said why FINRA is the true giant. First of all, it's confirming here that they operate multiple hidden trading venues, and those are the ones identified in the other image that she shared also here. And it states here, these venues allow for counterfeit share laundering, wash trading, unreported or delayed trade reporting, synthetic short exposure hidden from the public markets, and also as a regulator and an operator, there is a blatant conflict of interest. So they regulate Citadel, Virtue, JP Morgan, and we know about Virtue, and others, whilst running the system that those firms use to hide trade. So apparently no transparency, no accountability, no oversight from Congress unless there is a subpoena, but we know Congress did not allow any subpoena. So let's now move on to the news with regard to the discovery. There was a filing update, and this was a stipulated protective order. So let's have a look at this, and we can see in the United States District Court, District of Nevada, with regard to metamaterials, and stipulated this protective order. And then obviously we can see here third-party subpoenas, respondents Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, TradeStation Securities, Thinkorswims collectively believe that certain information that is or not will be encompassed by discovery demand by the parties involved, the production or disclosure of trade secrets, confidential business information, and or confidential and personal identifying information. So it looks like they're trying to fight for information to be hidden and not shared publicly, and obviously it looks like there is certainly something to hide. And in the section G, we can see they also go on to say identify and investment positions of persons or entities who have invested in, so they want them protected, information for which applicable law, foreign and domestic, requires confidential treatment. So anything overseas, they want that to be hidden as well, and any other category of information given as confidential or other response to a discovery request of any type. So they're looking to try and limit this discovery as much as they can. So requests for admissions, requests for production of documents, and to withhold production where appropriate. So it looks like they're digging in their heels to make the court aware of what they want. And they state here, the terms of the protected order shall survive any settlement, discontinuance, dismissal, judgment, or other disposition of this action, and the parties acknowledge that the court retains discretion to afford confidential treatment to information that the parties have redacted. So that is a key message they are saying to the court, to hide the information. And at the end we can see Section 35, nothing in this order affects the right of the producing party to use or disclose its own discovery material in any way. Such disclosures will not waive the protection of this order and will not otherwise entitle other parties to use or disclose such discovery material in violation of the order. So that's there stated, so stipulated and agreed from their solicitor Joel Wertman of Philadelphia. And a quick shout out to the previous week's weekly watches, where we called out tick symbol MVST, the best call of the week, up over 45.7%. ACHR, also featured in some previous videos, up over 44% and having a tremendous run, so go ahead and check out those other videos. FNGR, that was a call finger motion, and that was up over 14.1%. I think there may be a pullback due, but certainly a great week for FNGR, and that has been running up nicely. WD up over 6.8%. GOGO, another call we had, up over 9.2%, and many more, but obviously not all calls are successful, so details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.